Hi guys, and welcome back to Tech Anorak. So I'm going to show you today the OnePlus Nord 2 screen protector that I was sent. I had some real struggles getting a tempered glass screen protector for this guy because it must have like a 2.5D curve here on all edges, and I just couldn't find one that would fit right. So because when I fitted the first one, I pulled off the film screen protector that comes from factory. So I was a bit worried because I was having to use the phone with nothing, no screen protector on, and I never like doing that because it's so easy to scratch the glass, even though it's Gorilla Glass. It's going to happen, guys. So I emailed OnePlus and told them that I asked them, could you please send me another film screen protector? And they said they can't do that, but what they were willing to do was give me the cost of this as a credit. So they gave me £20, which is what this is worth, and all I had to pay them was postage, which was $4.99. So shout out to OnePlus, that's awesome. I didn't mention that I'm a YouTuber or anything like that. I just went at it like a customer. I've had issues with Samsung recently with my Samsung S6 Lite, and their customer service isn't very good compared, but shout out to OnePlus. It's my first ever OnePlus phone, this guys, but absolutely awesome service. And the screen protector's brilliant. I've already fitted it. Just see if I can put a light wallpaper on for you, in fact. Okay, guys, so yeah, don't know if it's going to come up on the video, but it's got a black edge, the screen protector, so it's really good. It just blends in really nice with the phone, and you get in the box, I'll show you, it's very like a Spigen screen protector that I've got from a 4A. I'll open it here, guys. So you get nice little card wallet with stuff you're going to need to fit it. And look at this, guys, right? Get a nice little OnePlus branded cloth, so I'm going to keep that. That's a nice thing to have. And then you've got like your normal stickers. Once you've cleaned your device off, you have a sticker to take any dust off. So I've got that there. Get this really nice little squeegee, and normally, again, that's OnePlus branded. I didn't notice that at the time, but that's got a nice soft edge on it as well that's stuck to it. If you can see that, guys. So the one I got with my Spigen screen protector was just all plastic, but that's nice. So you're not going to damage the tempered glass when you put it on. So that's everything you got in there, and then you get this alignment tool. So very like my Spigen one from a Pixel 4a. So you can't get this wrong. As long as you've cleaned the screen properly, then you just take out your screen protector from another nice little wallet. Like I said, I've already fitted it, guys, but you get your fitting instructions on there as well. And like I say, you can't really get it wrong anyway, and then it comes stuck to this really nice backing. So again, I'm going to keep that. So that's their motto, isn't it? Never settle. But yeah, and then you just peel off the tempered glass one from this and then fit it within the frame. But yeah, just a really quick one. But I didn't notice that's what it says, Nord 2 5G in there. That must be so they know it, factory. But yeah, just really nice presentation and awesome service from OnePlus. So I just wanted to give them a shout out. And yeah, I'm just glad I've got a nice screen protector now that fits well and I don't need to worry. So every review I'm going to do on the channel now, I'm going to ask Yoda. So Yoda, what do you think of the OnePlus Nord 2 tempered glass screen protector?
It is the future, you see.
There you go again. He's very happy with that. It's the future, you see. So surely he's saying this is the future. It's an awesome product. And so it's got the Yoda seal of approval, guys, as well. And it's got mine. It's a great one. So I'll put the links in the description. Even if I paid £20 for this or $20, the presentation you get with everything I showed you in the box, it's really nice set that you get. It's like an experience, you know, like a bit of an event just for a screen protector. You get, you know, it's not just your typical bit of card with, you know, a bit of glass stuck in there from Amazon or eBay. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys, anyone who's loving the Nord 2, the official screen protector's great. Oh, can you let me know, guys, in the comments, anyone who's got the Nord 2 or any OnePlus phone, have you got any of the bumpers? So I quite like the black one and the one that's got all the funny like cartoon writing on it and things. So I was just wondering how tough are those cases? Of, you know, if you drop them, can they survive a fall? Because I'm looking to get one of those. I'll probably buy one anyway because there's not many cases out. But yeah, if you could let me know in the comments, guys, I'd really appreciate that as well. So thanks for watching, and let me know what you think about this one, guys. As always, I'll see you on the next one. Tech Anorak out. Take care.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.